Whoosh, boys, welcome back to the bloody Not Robbie James show, eh? First customer of the day, we've got old Brad Owen. He's got his manual 6R. Not bad, stage 2 pluser. Just got some new wheels from last time he was here. But yeah, minor service, and we're going to do a liquid moly decarb for the bloody carbon build-up that these particular vehicles have, so not ideal. So this is our little petrol engine intake decarb. So hopefully does the trick. Our boys at Liquid Moly, they always look after us. But I think we're going to go in here and essentially, yeah, go from there. I think that's going to be our best option. There's a hole there, straight to the manifold. And apparently it's got a 360 degree spray angle on the edge of the tip, so should be fun. Let's go in here. Alrighty boys, bit of a test drive, let's go. Something a bit different, the old manual. Not bad, eh? Still a bit smoky, which is fine. Because we did the decarb, obviously. Where's his mirrors? There we go. So obviously doing the decarb is going to make it a bit smoky here and there, so we do have to give it some beans. But bloody good test drive, not bad, eh? Whoosh boys, well, all done with the decarb and test drive, as you would have seen from the old GoPro head footage there. But yeah, looking pretty schmicko. She looked like a dry ice machine puffing out smoke before, so should have got a bloody should have got a clip, but hey, we didn't. But looking pretty good. But yeah, Brad's done for another year. Whoosh boys, well, holy hecker, all clean again. Proud of the chemical guys. Holy hecker. Full bloody inside outside window clean. They're not very clean, are they? Outside's pretty good though, but wheels are all clean again. Holy hecker. And full wax as well. Not bad boys, not bad. Holy hecker. All the boys are out today. Not sure if that's an F80 or a G80 or a CBA. Now that looks bloody schmick. Holy heck boys, so if you could see this, it actually looks bloody good. Not bad, eh? So we did an after wash for the drying to help aid drying, and then we also did the banana wax once it's all dry and all cleaned up, and then the old ceramic glass cleaner slash sealant. So not bad boys. Hopefully she starts beating. We'll see. But that looks bloody schmicko. A couple of paint chips here and there, but pretty happy with the result. I didn't do the front bar because it's horrendously paint chipped, but the old bonnet looks alright. Not bad, eh? Not bad. The old windows don't look too bad on camera, but in person, not good. The side ones are good though. Those ones are good. Skids are us, boys. Holy! We got the old pre-facelift S3 here as well. Not sure if it's tuned or anything, but carbon front lip as well. Well, you can hear the old bloody commie in the background. Old Polly is out tonight, boys. Be safe out there, eh? Holy hecker. I'm being a good boy.
The next day.
Whoosh, boys! Well, welcome back to Sunday. Fresh-eyed after a good little nappy nap. Holy hecker. First customer of the day, GOAT 6. Roman numerals. Stage 1/2, I'm not actually 100% sure. Here for a minor service, spark plugs and bloody coil packs. So we're going to get this smashed out. We've got another customer after this one. So yeah, should be bloody easy, boys. Let's go. And of course, boys, we've got old Bathurst on. 18 minutes to the start of the race, and we're all stocked up. Shout out to Monster. All stocked up, ready for the weekend. Well, I think we're missing one right at the very back. I can only ever get 2 on each of those rows. 2 in the door, obviously, because we had some yesterday. But all stocked up. Bloody good, boys. Bloody good. Alrighty, boys. Another test drive. Bloody good. No nasty bumps. Bloody good. These tyres definitely need replacing. But feels good. No questions, queries, concerns from me. Whoosh, boys. Well, job done, as you would have just seen from the old test drive. So, yeah, looking pretty schmicko. No issues, concerns. Obviously, brakes all round for his next service, and needs to get those bloody tyres ASAP. Did a rotation, so obviously we did the front tyres to the back, so the less tread on the back and better tread on the front, obviously, because that's where you're braking. We ended up doing minor service, spark plugs, and we also did coil packs that we had here as well. So bloody job done, boys. Let's get on to the next one. Oh, shit, our next customer is here 5 seconds later. 7.5 Wolfsburg edition, front rotors, Haldex service. Hopefully we shouldn't find any other issues, but yeah, front pads, front rotors, and a Haldex. So let's bloody get that sorted and get this customer out of here. And of course, boys, we can't forget, because we are a bloody sponsored athlete, official crack test. Ooh. One a day gives a bloody doctor away, boys. Got a peachy keen today. As I said, it's about my second, maybe third favourite. It's not bad. Oh, it's bloody beautiful, boys, and she's ice cold in the new fridge. Well, second-hand fridge, just a roommate, so I got it for free. Alrighty, well, let's get bloody stuck into these front rotors, front pads, and bloody Haldex service. Then we get to work on E85GOLF. Bloody good, boys. Whoosh, boys. Well, after one wrong set of brake pads, she's all done. So Haldex done, primed the pump. We're about to go bed in the rotors and pads. But whew, what a long one, boys. What a long one. And next customer is here already. So let's get it, boys. Alrighty, boys. Well, another test drive. So Haldex done. We're obviously going to do the bed-in process now. So as we did last time, for that last set, I'll just run you through pretty much my first one. So 40 to 10, and then we're going to go 60 to 20. Bloody good. Hopefully down here we don't get stopped at the giveaway, but I think we're going to try neutral for a nice smooth stop. Yep, bloody good. I'll go 60 to 20. 80 to 20. You can hear that fake cabin noise, boys. And then, yeah, 80 to 20. Bloody good, but feels good, so we'll finish the bed in, get back home, and bloody get on to that next customer, boys. Whoosh, boys. Well, no more short shifter kit on this thing. Oh, lordy. Holy hecka. And no more shifter for this boy. So he's getting a short shifter. But not bad, boys. Old Diesel Geek, shout out to you. You're essentially the same for all the way from Mark 5 to Mark 7.5. So stock shifter assembly, which I'm going to put in the E85GOLF. Hopefully, gets rid of our mis-shifting in third gear. But even if it doesn't, it's a good starting point. Customer. Alright boys, well, I think we're recording. Another day, another test drive. We just installed the old short shifter kit. Third gear, fourth gear, fifth, and then sixth. Bloody good. There's fifth gear again. Fourth gear, third, fourth, second, and back to second. Yeah, it's nice. Cool, real short, bloody good boys. Hopefully you can see this enough, but down there, I don't know if it's going to focus, but bloody short shifters, sorry, stock shifter, oh, you might be able to see down there, maybe, stock shifter's back on, so I find, I'm not sure if it's going to make a difference, but I guess we're about to go for a test drive and find out. We'll chuck the GoPro on and I guess have a look-ski and see what we're dealing with, but hopefully it makes a difference. If not, it's all good, because I guess at the end of the day that's our cheapest option. Technically this was free. We actually made money on it, to be honest. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. We'll go for a test drive. We'll take you boys along with us and see how it feels. Well, test drive is I guess started, boys. Yeah, it feels a lot better. Obviously I'm not going to fucking gun it down the side streets, but it just feels so much more efficient about going in. It's not so like clunky. That makes a massive difference. Obviously when the technically it had double short shifter kit in there, hence why we took one out, put the stock system back on, but yeah, that's so much better. Yeah, just even just shifting normally, that feels heaps better. Oh, well boys, I am bloody pooped. What a bloody weekend. Sorry it is a bit of a short vlog. Didn't really do anything exciting this week apart from the bloody motorsport bookings, but Bathurst was on, so kind of kept it pretty chill, knowing that obviously I was going to watch the boys. Congratulations Bush, shout out to you brother, I know you're bloody watching. But yeah, what a weekend boys, what a weekend. Just cannot thank you enough boys. At the time of recording this, 821 subscribers. I'm just blown away. 821 people actually like my shit. Once again, I'm blown away. I'm almost speechless. I cannot thank you enough for liking, bloody commenting, and of course, bloody subscribing. 821 of you, holy heck. Again, we're on that bloody push to 1,000 subscribers. We are going to do a giveaway. It might not be straight away, but we're going to do some type of giveaway where, you know, if you follow me on Instagram, you've subscribed, and you leave a comment or something along those lines. So coming in the near future, we will do a giveaway after we've hit 1,000 subscribers. And get a couple of sponsors on board, you know, give away some vouchers, because I know a lot of you aren't in Australia and obviously don't have access to you know, local things. We might give people the option where, you know, if we, for instance, give away a tune or something like that, where obviously you have to be in Queensland or Brisbane to even get that item. But yeah, we're going to figure it out. We're going to get some gift vouchers. All of our sponsors are going to hopefully jump on board and get involved in this bloody giveaway, because I'm just blown away, boys. 821. Holy hecker. Bloody surreal, eh? I'm not an emotional person, but yeah, just again, I cannot thank you boys enough. It's just gets me excited for what's to come. Once we hit that 1,000, once we hit our bloody watch hours, and we start bloody monetizing the channel, you know, things are just going to go bloody up from here. First thing on the rank is obviously getting a shed, because we want to have more content, more motorsport bookings, and we're going to get this bloody race car finished. Bit of a surprise for you coming up in the next couple of weeks. I think we are going to take the red out, and this will be its final test, so to speak, before the motor gets pulled out. And I'm not sure what we've got on next weekend. I know we're fully booked anyway, regardless. We're fully booked this weekend, and we're fully booked, I think, next weekend as well. Boys, that's going to bloody wrap up the vlog this week. Again, like, bloody comment, bloody subscribe, because if you're not, don't know what you're doing. And boys, we'll catch you on the next bloody episode. 821 of you. Thank you very much, boys. Catch you on the next one. Hey yo! I don't know what that last part was, but catch you on the next one, boys.
Shit like a target, that bitch, she fast on the ground, so glad she fall. I gotta go get a room for you and me, and we can look right over the moon. Everything feel like a movie scene, my symphony's harmonized when I'm with you. Why they keep trying to prove to me that they be the illest when I'm in the room? I ain't be feeling shit, it's a chick, if they trying this, well,